When a garage door won't budge, it can really throw off your day. First, check the tracks for any debris or obstructions. You'd be surprised how little dirt can jam it. Next, make sure to tighten any loose screws around the track brackets using a basic screwdriver. Then, apply some lubricant to the rollers and hinges to help things glide smoothly. If the door still sticks, inspect the sensors at the bottom. Clean them with a cloth to ensure they're functioning properly. With these simple steps, you can conquer that frustrating garage door issue without calling for help.